Hi, did you guys know about this new demo kit? I've used this product for ages, but now they've got this new demo kit that introduces all of the little steps for a grade class 2. So let's see what they're giving you. You get a little model, a Paladant system. So what's the advantage of using the Paladant system? It contains rings that actually maintain their tension after repeated use. That's what I find anyway. We autoclave it, we put it through the system again and again, and they're still tight. So it's also a nice selection of different matrices and also the ring sizes. Sometimes it would be nice to have longer ones. I really like the wedging system though. It comes in 3 sizes and it has a hollow underside which allows a second wedge to be placed from the opposite side. We're doing another course shortly for MyCEREC Fundamentals. It's on the 31st of August to the 1st of September. Please join us. We really want you to have fun and learn too. See you there.